Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I have already explained few muhavres, that is proverb, in my last video. If you want, you can check, the link is given below. In this video, I am going to do emotion based muhavre. It is the easiest way to learn muhavre. This is useful for grade 8, 9 also. And these are the chapter based muhavres of grade 10. So let's seize the day. The first emotion is happiness. These are the muhavre to express happiness. Okay, these are the chapter based muhavre of 10th grade. Literary meaning is different, but the actual meaning is to be happy. Okay, let's see the first one. खुशी का ठिकाना ना होना. Okay, खुशी का ठिकाना ना होना. Okay, so the literary meaning is there is no limit to joy. And the sentence, अपने भाई को स्वर्ण पदक पाते देखकर मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना ना रहा. Meaning, after seeing my brother getting the gold medal, I became happy. Okay, the next one. घी के दिए जलाना means burn the lamp with ghee, that is clarified butter. This is also one way to express happiness. Now sentence, गरीब राजू का बेटा जब डॉक्टर बन गया तब राजू ने घी के दिए जलाए. When Raju's son became a doctor, he became happy. Okay, next one. ज़मीन पर पाँव ना रखना. Literary meaning, not keeping legs on ground. This is also one way to express happiness, but in a negative way. You will understand with the sentence. जब से वो ब्यूटी गर्ल चुनी गई है ज़मीन पर पाँव नहीं रखती. Meaning, when she was selected as a beauty pageant, she became very happy. Here, arrogant. So this is to express happiness in a negative way. Okay, so let's see the next one. बाग बाग होना. You can even say दिल बाग बाग होना. Okay, literary meaning is heart bloom like a garden. Now the sentence, संगीत में फव्वारा देखकर मेरा दिल बाग बाग हो उठा. The meaning of the sentence, after seeing the musical fountain, I became very happy. Okay. Now we will discuss about sadness. Okay. These are the muhavre to express sadness. Actual meaning of these muhavre is to be sad, but I'll be telling you the literary meaning. The first one is आंसू पीकर रह जाना. Literary meaning is keeping patience by holding the tears. Now sentence, सबके सामने अपनी बुराई सुनकर भी राज आंसू पीकर रह गया. After hearing the rumor about himself, Raju became sad. Okay, now the next one. जिगर के टुकड़े टुकड़े होना. Literary meaning is liver broken into pieces. But the actual meaning is to be sad. Now the sentence, राजेश को अचानक खबर मिली उसकी नौकरी चली गई है. ये सुनकर उसके जिगर के टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए. The meaning of the sentence, after receiving the news he lost his job, he became sad. Okay, the next one. घाव पर नमक छिड़कना. Literary meaning is adding insult to injury. Now sentence, राम वैसे ही दुखी है तुम उसे परेशान करके घाव पर नमक छिड़क रहे हो. The meaning of the sentence, Ram is already sad. Why are you troubling him and making him more sad? Okay, few muhavras I have taken from the 10th grade grammar book also. And now, okay, angry expression. Okay, these are the muhavra to express anger. First one, आग बबूला होना. Literary meaning, becoming hot like a ball of fire. Sentence, कक्षा में शोर सुनकर प्रधानाचार्य आग बबूला हो गए. The principal became really angry after listening to the noise in the class. This you all must have experienced in your school. Next मुहावरा आड़े हाथों लेना. Literary meaning talking one to one or interrogating someone. Sentence राज को परीक्षा में नकल करता देखकर अध्यापक ने उसे आड़े हाथों लिया. Means after seeing Raj copying in the exam, teacher became angry and started scolding him. Okay, next one. खून खौलना. Literary meaning blood start to boil. Sentence बेटे को झूठ बोलता देखकर पिताजी का खून खौल गया. Meaning after knowing that son is lying, father became really angry. Okay, let's see the next one. तेवरियां चढ़ना. That mean raise the eyebrow in anger. Sentence जब मैंने राजन को उसके बेटे की सच्चाई बताई कि वो गलत संगति में है तो उसकी तेवरियां चढ़ गई. Meaning when I told Rajan about his son that he was among the bad company, he became angry, really angry. Okay. Next muhavra लाल पीला होना. Literary meaning becoming yellow and blue. Yeah, it is the literary meaning, but the actual meaning is to become angry. Sentence जब बच्चों ने खेलते हुए पड़ोसियों के घर का कांच तोड़ डाला तो पड़ोसी लाल पीला हो गए. Meaning children broke the glass of window of neighbors while playing. Then neighbor became really angry. Let's see the next one. Okay. Now expression related to soldiers. Okay. Feeling of soldiers, sacrifice, love and respect for the country, that is patriotism. These are based on the chapter Kar Chale Hum Fida. These all muhavres are from that chapter. Okay, first one is मौत से गले मिलना. Okay, मौत से गले मिलना meaning to embrace death. Sentence सच्चे सिपाही देश की रक्षा के लिए मौत से गले मिल जाते हैं. English meaning a true soldiers embrace death to protect his country. Okay, the next one सिर पर कफन बांधना means ready to sacrifice life. Kafan means shroud, the white cloth which we wrap to the dead person. So that is shroud. Sir par kafan bandna meaning is ready to sacrifice life. Now sentence सैनिक सीमा पर सिर पर कफन बांध लेते हैं. Meaning soldiers are ever ready to sacrifice their life on border. Okay, let's see the next one. सिर झुकना. Next one is सिर झुकना. Literary meaning is bow your head. Actual meaning is accepting defeat. Sentence कभी कभी परिस्थितियों के सामने हमें हमारा सिर झुकाना ही पड़ता है. Meaning sometimes we have to accept our defeat according to the situation. Okay, so this was the end of the video. Still there are lots of muhavres in your textbook. If you want any muhavre to be explained, please write in the comment section. I will explain you in my next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Best of luck. Take care. Bye.